Try not to get too crazy, but sometimes the river decides instead of me. Give me 2. Get down. Lean left. Lean right. No, lean left, lean left. Pull him back in. Go over here. Come over here, come over here. Come swim toward me, swim toward me, swim toward me. Hop up, everybody. Give me 2. I didn't realize it was her at first. All forward, go, go, go. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Paddle, paddle. Grab that paddle if you can. Try to hook on your T-grip. It's too far away, don't feel bad. Give me 2. Relax a minute. Give me 3 more. That was a quick hydraulic surf. Keep going, all forward. That's like slow motion fall out of the boat too. That's usually how it feels from my perspective, even when it's me. 2 more. Stay together, get in time. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm coming over. Don't. If you're in a good spot, you can hang out there, Paul.
That's what I was there for.
You okay?
I'm fine, thank you. I just got pulled under.
That was like the slowest motion fall out I ever seen. Did the paddle grab something? Or it was just momentum?
No, it's just, I luckily I didn't hit anything. I just got
Oh, it's too
pulled
deep
under.
to hit the bottom.
I couldn't
You only
swim
got
out
like
of
1 recirc, I think. You popped out quick. That's why I was backing out of the way, so maybe next raft can pull you
Sorry
out.
guys, thanks everybody. It just sucked me right the hell in.
It happens.
Did I lose my...
Yeah, we might find it in a minute. I'm not very worried about it. That's why I was wondering if the paddle caught the water, because sometimes if it does, it will pull you out. Yeah, it happened to me in the
I got
past.
sucked right under.
Over here. It's sitting up on that rock. Paddle sitting on that rock over there.
Where?
The rock is right next to the left. It's on a rock.
Oh shit, that's a bad spot. I can't take the raft over there. You will all hate me if I do. If I did my kayak, I could go over there though. Yeah, this is the one place once you get over here where we tell you to stand up. It's just gravel bottom.
Gotcha. Yeah, I just, like I said, kept trying to swim and nothing was doing.
You did fine. You flushed out really fast. Sometimes people are working in there till a raft comes by to help them out one way or another.
Thank goodness they helped me right out. A long time ago.
You did good. You participated in your rescue. That's what made it easier. You swam so the current could help you get where
I was
you
trying to
needed.
swim towards the boat. I was
Yeah,
trying,
you're
but
doing
I'm sorry
good.
I lost my paddle, man.
Hey, don't worry about that. Fouls are at least our concern. We'll get it back. Here comes double trouble. Make sure you smile and wave. They're gonna take the picture. Hit. Oh no, there's a few right there. Give me 3, go. Give me 3 more, keep going. 2 more, can somebody hold on to this tree for a few minutes? They got sun. As long as y'all got sun, don't float off while your guys are away trying to get the one of the sticks.
I'm not gonna try.
No problem. It's probably one of the kids probably lost that this morning on one of the other trips.
I would never lose my paddle.
That's okay. I'm more worried about your personal safety when you
no,
swim like that. It's no big deal.
Like I said,
Okay, let go of that.
this kind of freaked me out because I couldn't get out of that hole.
Yeah, that's okay. Guys freak out there too. I've seen some of my friends swim there and panic. It happens. Give me one. Right behind you, buddy. Take me a minute. Give me two. I hear him, but where is he? He got the other paddle. I could have done nothing. He would have done it. Give me two. Wouldn't have been as much fun, though.